Yes, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a vending machine that you will spin it. It will give you a toffee. Okay, it's pretty easy and the simple things you can want to do it. Oh, there we go. Just like this. If you done it, it will give you one toffee and more. One more. This is pretty easy. You will do it like this. It will give you anything if you will keep in this. I keep it on toffee. I'm going to toffee and it's pretty easy. And just see this one. It will give you a ball. Let's see. Then here we are. Ball. One more beyond. Here we are. It will give you such a long. Or you kitten like this. You can give. Okay, but what not use kitty. I'll teach you how to make it. It's pretty easy. You want a block, any block kind of plate. Just keep it like this. Then you wanna have a redstone comparator. Then keep one here. You actually want a redstone also. Then keep it like this. 1, 2. Then 1, 2. Then here is redstone. Exactly, you can see redstone up redstone. Here redstone. Then keep here and up also. Keep on redstone. Then do it like this. Then you done these all steps. Then you want a dispenser. Then keep it like this. And that's exactly you have done this all things, and you actually want the redstone to shine. Here we are. And you want to have a picture. This item frame and keep exactly like this what I have done. Then you wanna change the name. You wanna have the handle. Change the name. But what you want to keep, you can keep in vendor, and what you want to keep here. All things I will teach you. Perfect. First you wanna have a stone slab. Then you wanna name the name. SPLIN it. What this exactly is right. Oh, here we are. Redstone, here we are. Spin it like this. You want to keep it exactly. Then it will be like this, and it will show you spin it. Then anything you want, anything like any phone, anything. I'll choose one thing. Give some. So the armor. Okay, it's good, and let's make the name gold. Keep this off. And lottery. Let's keep it to 90. Okay, just keep here. Lottery spin. And here also. Exactly, if we have done these all steps, then we wanna get into the dispenser. Large spin. Okay, here we are. Now you exactly want to spin it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take more gems. Also subscribe my video and